Alright, so today we're going to be replacing all this siding board right here. As you can see, it's kind of deteriorating already, just from all the moisture and weather, you know, over the years. So yeah, we're going to be replacing it with new siding. As you can see, we already taken off this piece right here. We'll start tearing it in. We'll be putting these to test. I've never had an issue with the Ryobi. They've always came through. I use Milwaukee as well, but for bigger stuff, like heavy impacts, we'll see if they'll be able to get the job done. Alright, so here we've already taken out the nails with one of these, the goat's feet. And we're gonna continue. They're on there. When I try to pry on it, all it's doing is tearing the material. It's not bringing out the nails. So we're gonna be pulling them out with this. There it is. Took it apart. I'm gonna start measuring and put it all back together brand new. So now we're gonna start cutting. We already got our measurements. We got our line, our truck line, and our little corner here, the way it curves. We got it right in there. So yeah, let's start cutting. Alright guys, I was getting ready to start putting the panels back up. You're not going to believe what I found in there. I'm excited, man. You can see it here. You can see it here. Right there. You see that? Can't get a good view, but let me get it out and I'll show you guys. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're getting ready to put this panels back up. You guys are not going to believe what I found up there. Look at that. I think I kind of see it. Can't really see it, but stay tuned. I'm about to pull it out. We might be in for a surprise. Alright, moment of truth. Here it comes. Let's see what we got here. Look at this. Come on, bitch. Alright, I'm about to put the phone down. I can't get it out. There it is, all finished up. Turned out pretty nice. There it is. I got it all done. You got it all painted already. So we caulked it. Obviously, we caulked the screws. If you couldn't see them, we caulked all the seams. And we painted it. We got it all done. On to the next. Alright guys, we're back at it again today. We're taking off these panels. This is the other side of the house. You can tell, I mean, they've seen better days. But yeah, we're taking off all the nails. Took this piece off already. And we're gonna continue to cut that wood right there. Darker brown, it's still in good condition. I mean, it just got a little bit of water on it, but it's still solid. Hit it with the hammer and it's still a solid piece. It's not coming apart. but it was obviously time to replace it, so replace the siding. So yeah, we're gonna be finishing that today, hopefully getting it done. Oh, we're finally finished. Looks pretty good. Just gonna paint it, ready to roll.